Okay, for a really long time, I have been a slides person. I love slides. So you can just go, you're in Google, just type slides.new, start a new presentation. Beautiful. Okay. When it first opens up, you're going to get some themes over here. Selections, not that great. Okay. But you could start with, oh, all right, I like this one. Pick here, right? Here's your layouts that you can choose from. And you can change the background. So if I don't like this color, right, I can swap it out and use this color instead, right? So a little bit of options. One little pet peeve I have, right, is pasting a GIF in order to, so if I just copy this image and paste it over here, no GIF, no animated. So I got to do it this funky way. So instead of copying the image, I have to copy the image address. And then it's just extra steps. Like copy paste is so easy, but now I have to insert image by URL, paste that URL. Now I can insert it and see the difference. The GIF is actually animated now. Okay, so I have recently switched to PowerPoint. So this is a little bit of a learning curve for me, but I'm so happy now. So I'm going to start a new blank presentation. So when I do that, look at this, all the way over here, immediately, as soon as I open, it's like, hey, do you want one of these beautiful ideas? Like maybe one of these strikes your fancy. You can click see more and get some more. Like this one literally is animated. How amazing is that? Okay. Here is where the layout options are, right? If you go to design right off the bat, this is similar to those pre-packaged Google themes, right? Where you can choose one of these, but then you have some color variations up here that you can modify right away. A little simpler than you can in Google Slides, okay? But let's not choose anything. What I want to show you is like once you choose one, okay, say I choose this one. That's beautiful, okay? So, and say I type botany, maybe that's my topic, which is why I was drawn to this one. You see, it's the playing part is still here. It says, maybe you want to switch your arrangement. Maybe you want it to look like these. And then all I can do is say, you know what? Actually, this is pretty fantastic. I want it to look like this. Swap it out, change it just like that. Or actually this one. It's beautiful. Okay. So it still has the animated feature. Okay. Wonderful, right? So now if I add a new slide, so I right click, I add a new slide, or Control M is shortened. So let's see. And so this is my topic. Look at that. It's like, would you love a picture, a background of plants now that you are talking about plants? Thank you. Yes, I would. I would love a background that has plants in it. Okay, so let's see. Let's try this. Let's put car. So remember, click off of it so it knows that you have decided what your topic is going to be. Look at this. It was like, actually, let's see. Let's just put this here so you can see that it'll include the subtitles as well. So like, yeah, this is perfect. Literally my topic is cars. How amazing is this? Okay, so now let's right click, add a new slide. Remember, Control M. So let's see, we'll put, I want to put 2 images in here. So let's see, car or truck. All right, so I want to know, like, I want to purchase a car or a truck. Look, I already have some great ideas, but I want to change, I'm going to go back home and I want to change the layout to 2 content. All right, I want to just put 2 images. Okay, now if I did comparison, I can add the text. So instead of having it up here, I could put car and truck here, but I just want to have 2 content. All right, so what I'm going to do is go back to Google. Here I am in images, and I want to just search for a picture of a car. But I'm going to search for, I'm going to add wiki to my search. So then I know I'm getting a, I don't have to worry about the content and if I want to share this later. Okay, so here we go. Here's one. That's a fancy car, but it doesn't matter. So let's right click, copy that image. Okay, go back to PowerPoint, and I'm going to write in here. So I'm going to click in this box and I'm going to paste it. Okay, you can Control V, but I want to just paste it right in there. And it's like, oh, you want to use that box to put a picture. Fabulous. Okay, so let's show you again. So now let's look for, instead of car, let's look for truck. And, well, let's see. Oh, it doesn't think, let's do pickup truck. I didn't want that kind of truck. All right, here we go. Perfect. So right click, copy. Let's go back to PowerPoint. And again, I'm going to click in this box. I'm going to right click or just Control V to paste it. Look, those images are sized the same. It's not a giant thing that you have to resize into a little shape. And it also gives me all these ideas. Maybe you want to rearrange the format. Maybe you'd like it to look a little different. Maybe you want it like this on top of each other. Maybe you want the words on the side. Maybe you want the pictures on the top. Whatever you want, okay? Also, let's see, compare features. All right, so now say I want to compare features and I want to just make a table. So I don't want two content, I just want one, okay? Here it's giving me a few suggestions. Maybe I want something in the background, but watch when I add this table, okay? And we'll just say I'm comparing car and truck by feature. So I need 3 columns and maybe we'll just start with 5 rows. Literally sizes the table appropriately. You can have 2 different tables. It'll size them appropriately. It's literally smart. Okay, the PowerPoint is literally becoming smart. And right here, I can change the color. All right, so if I want it to stand out a little bit more. All right, and so here I would just start labeling it car, truck, right? Beautiful, amazing, literally awesome. Okay, so that is from design. So how would I get there? So either home, you click on design ideas. It's going to show you options. Okay, your options change plus as you're building the PowerPoint, or you can go to the design menu up here and still you see design ideas. You can still modify background or whatever, but this is an amazing way to change a PowerPoint easily without a lot of effort on your part. You don't have to go around searching for it. Okay, so I highly recommend it. I hope you're as excited about it as I am. Literally, this has changed my PowerPoints.